Hi, I'm Pratik and I'm the co-founder of SigmaMind AI. I'm just gonna show you a quick demo of this voice agent that I built on SigmaMind AI. So this is a health insurance intake specialist, and this is the prompt that you see on the left side. I've added a couple of tool calls to book the appointment and to update the customer info based on the conversation that I'm about to have. And on the right side you see your agent settings where you can select your voices. We have a bunch of voices from ElevenLabs, Rime, Cartesia, OpenAI, and you can also select your favorite LLM that you want to use with this agent and pick out a language based on which the transcription will take place. And then you can also configure a bunch of speech settings over here. Now what I'm going to show you is a live conversation. So I'll just go to playground and then I can just do a sample conversation here. Hello.
Hey there, Mia here from Blue Peak Insurance. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking to renew my health insurance. Could you please help me?
Of course, I'd be happy to assist with that. Just so you know, I'm not a licensed insurance advisor, but I can gather information for our team. Could you tell me if you currently have active health insurance coverage?
Yes, I do, but it's expiring in a week.
Thanks for sharing that. Is your coverage all with one company or is it split between different providers?
Different, but yeah, different companies.
Got it, thanks.
Actually, it's just with a single company.
Understood, so it's all with one company.
Yep.
Thank you for clarifying. Great. Is there a specific reason you're looking to renew your insurance now, like changes in your health needs, or are you just looking to compare options?
I'm just looking to compare options and find the best fit.
That makes sense. Is there anything in particular that's most important to you when comparing like cost, doctor networks, or types of benefits?
Yeah, I'm looking more of a balance between cost and a good network.
Perfect. That'll help the advisor understand your needs. Are there any specific health needs or conditions you'd like your advisor to know about before they call?
No pre-existing conditions.
Thanks for letting me know. So, I'll arrange for one of our licensed insurance advisors to assist you. Before I set up that call, could I please have your name, email, and the best phone number to reach you? This will help our advisor follow up promptly.
Yeah, you can take my email. I don't want to share my phone number, so my email is pratik@sigmamind.ai.
I appreciate you sharing your email, Pratik. Would it be all right if I still took down your name for the advisor to have? And no worries if you prefer not to provide your phone number.
Yeah, it's Pratik.
Thank you, Pratik. So, just to recap, I'll have one of our licensed advisors reach out to you at pratik@sigmamind.ai. Would you like me to schedule that call for today? Or would a later time work better for you?
Later time works well.
No problem at all. What day and time would be best for you?
Maybe tomorrow, same time?
That works. I'll schedule a call back for you tomorrow at the same time. Just to confirm, I have your name as Pratik and your email as pratik@sigmamind.ai. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Perfect. You're all set for a call back tomorrow at the same time. Thank you for reaching out today, Pratik. If you have any other questions later, feel free to ask. Have a great day!